Welcome to Bubby Boys TV, where we're making science cool again, and we make fun family content for the whole family. Today we're visiting the Fernbank Museum. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for new videos every week. Alright, so we're at the Fernbank Museum today, and we're going to go inside and check out some dinosaurs. You guys ready to go? Yeah! Alright, so we're going to have a good time. Let's go check it out. We're here in Atlanta, Georgia. Whoa. Now that is huge. That is huge. What kind of dinosaur is that, Aiden? A brachiosaurus. So could you imagine being in the jungle and something that big towering over you?
The best thing is about the brachiosaurus. It only eats plants.
It only eats plants. Yeah, so this one wouldn't eat us. Wow. All kind of cool stones in there. Look at that one. Is that celestite? We're heading to the science lab. Aiden wants to see some science experiments, so we're heading to the science lab. All right, Aiden, we found the STEAM lab, so we're gonna see some experiments. We're in the STEAM lab, guys. You excited? Gonna see some live experiments.
So that balloon is being filled up by the gas that's being released by the reaction between the baking soda and the white vinegar. Blowing up a balloon, but we're using a chemical reaction to blow up our balloon. And here we have our lava lamp effect. You all see that?
Whoa.
Shall we throw in another tablet in there and see what happens? How many tablets should we throw in there?
3. 5. It looks like soda that is red.
Oh, look at that.
That's easy, right? When you shake that soda and you try to open it,
Whoa, you see that, Ari? That was cool, huh?
It's gonna react, and I want you all to see the reaction and then tell me what you think is happening. So we're gonna start mixing. You have, and
Wow,
we're gonna keep mixing.
That looks like a slushy right now.
It does kind of look expanding, right? So touch the bottom of the cup. There you go.
Oh, it's getting
Looks like a muffin.
expanding.
Expanding.
Wow.
Yeah. So this is still expanding though. Whoa, it's still expanding. Look at it. It's still growing. You gonna touch it? Oops, sorry. No? Gonna touch it.
That thing is
Is it hot, Ari?
This out, okay? Oh my. It's still quite.
Hey, then what'd you think of the experiments they demonstrated? Pretty awesome. What'd you guys think of the experiments? Pretty cool stuff. All right, so we're gonna check out Fantastic Forces. What do you guys think they got in here for Fantastic Forces? Some nature stuff? Oh, they got the electric ball. Oh, what is that, like a tornado? I guess so. Interesting. Aiden, look. Forming a tornado. Oh, it's a twister. That's like the hot wax. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, Aiden has built his plane. Now he's gonna give it a test flight. Let's see how far you go, Aiden. Oh, pretty good, dude. Pretty good. What else we got on the map? Let's have a look at the map. Nature Quest. Very cool. We got animals. We're going up the nature trail. Pretty cool. It's like being in a big tree house up here. Black bear and a wolf. Ah. Oh, it's moving. It's fish in there. Here we go hit that outside area. It looks pretty fun.
Check it out. Yeah.
All right. Look at the dinosaurs. Oh, they're huge. What in the world is this guy here? Oh,
What's your favorite animal?
a giant ground sloth? Wow, fossil of its head. Whoa.
A trace fossil.
What's the difference?
Vine fossil is the vine. Trace fossil is the plant.
Oh, okay. Heading into the knights in armor section. Medieval times. Becoming a knight. Boys were required to train from an early age. Knights were usually the second-born sons of noble families. So you'd have been training early at an early age. Pretty cool. So even the horses had armor on. So those horses were battle horses. Battle armor for the horses. Look, I found the first Iron Man helmet. It's the first Iron Man suit. Oh, I even found the weapons over here. Wow, that's some pretty brutal stuff. You see the crossbow, Ari?
Crack up.
He's fine. Man, that thing is old school. See the golden leg harness. You think you can fit them on your legs? Wow, that's pretty cool. Alright, you couldn't hit nothing, face and all. It's just a little slit for the eyes. Oh, the swords. Whoa. Now that's a sword there. Look at the shields. Look, we found the remains of One Eye Willie.
Hey, he's a pirate.
Alright, so what do you guys think about the knights in armor?
Pretty cool. I like the swords.
Pretty cool. Yeah, the swords were pretty nice. Wild Woods! Oh. It's the Greek run. The Wild World Trail. We got different kinds. We got the sensory wall. You got leaves, pine cones, feathers, bark. He got a spiked tail too. You were right, Stegosaurus. The T-Rex. Ah! Done suckered me into the gift shop. Let's see what they pick out from the gift shop. All right, what you looking for in the gift shop? Got a $5 limit, dude. $5 limit. Geodes, man. Celestite. Amethyst. Wow. What do you guys want from the gift shop? What do we get?
This rock for $1.
And what do you want? You got some slime.
Yeah, I got this. We got
Some dino gliders. And Ari's got his little toy. Okay, let's go check out.
And I got a sitting rock for $1.
Okay. Alright guys, did you guys have a good time at the Fernbank?
Great time.
Alright, it was awesome guys. Let's roll. See you guys next time on Bubby.